Alright. So there is a new OnePlus phone in the town और इस बार एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन OnePlus phones launch करे है OnePlus ने and OnePlus finally unveiled the new OnePlus 9 series yesterday. Although there was nothing left to be unveiled, हमें already पता था कि specifications और वो सब क्या होने वाला है. But still, they unveiled the OnePlus 9 series yesterday, and from that launch event, I want to specifically highlight a couple of things in this video. But before that, अगर आप वो launch event नहीं देख पाए, आप बहुत ज़्यादा busy हो, हाँ बहुत busy हो, पता है मुझे, तो मैं कुछ पता भी नहीं दुनिया में क्या चल रहा है. But अगर आप वो नहीं देख पाए, here is what you have missed. So there were three phones, OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9R along with the OnePlus Watch. उसको मैं एक अलग वीडियो में कवर करूंगा. For now, this is all about OnePlus 9 series phones. So let's talk about the specifications first because मुझे पता है आप में से बहुत लोग सिर्फ specifications के लिए आए हो उस वीडियो में. So let's do that first. So OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro are quite similar in terms of specifications. Now, both of them come with Snapdragon 888 from the latest chipset from Qualcomm. Both of them either come with 8GB or 12GB of DDR5 RAM. Both of them come with 128GB of 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Both of them also come with 4500 mAh battery that supports 65 watt fast wired charging from the charger that comes in the box. Well done, OnePlus. Both of them also come with Android 11 with Oxygen OS 11 on top, and both of them also come with a rather similar camera system at the back. So you get a 48 megapixel primary customized sensor for the OnePlus phones only, and then we have a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor along with a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. Now the OnePlus 9 Pro also comes with an 8 megapixel telephoto lens, and both the phones come with a 16 megapixels front camera. But there are a couple of things that makes the OnePlus 9 Pro a Pro version. Now first is the display. Now the OnePlus 9 जो regular version है, that comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD AMOLED display that comes with 120Hz refresh rate. While on the other hand, the OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a 6.7 inches Quad HD AMOLED display at 120Hz variable refresh rate. It's also an LTPO display, तो वो थोड़ा battery life में थोड़ा ज़्यादा better होगा OnePlus 9 से. And apart from that, OnePlus 9 Pro also comes with IP68 water and dust resistance, and it also supports 50 watts of wireless charger. But उसके लिए आपको OnePlus का ही wireless charger लेना पड़ेगा. But 50 watts? मतलब मेरा Samsung का फोन 25 watt में ही करता है मतलब wired charging. 50 watts is I think too much OnePlus. I mean like too much. And there is one little small difference as well. So जो OnePlus 9 का frame है, that's made of plastic. Yes, we get glass on the front, glass at the back, but जो frame है वो plastic का बना हुआ, while on the OnePlus 9 Pro is made out of aluminum. So that's pretty much it when it comes to specifications of the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. While the OnePlus 9R is basically identical to the OnePlus 8T, but it just comes with the new Snapdragon 870, which is again identical to Snapdragon 865 from last year. It just has a higher clock speed and it supports 5G. So OnePlus 9R is basically a OnePlus 8T in a new design. That's it. That was too much information to digest in one go, right? But yeah, that was a quick specs roundup of the OnePlus 9 series. But मैंने prices के बारे में बात नहीं करा, so let's talk about that as well. So the OnePlus 9 starts at rupees 49,999. The OnePlus 9R starts at rupees 39,999, and the OnePlus 9 Pro starts at rupees 64,999. ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया OnePlus, because 64,999 is definitely a flagship level pricing in India. Well, I'm not saying OnePlus is not justified to charge this much for their new OnePlus 9 series. Of course, I mean like अगर आप इस फ़ोन को पेपर पे देखोगे, they definitely do compete with the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S21 or the Apple iPhone 12 as well. But what I really want you to understand is that कि OnePlus के पास कोई और choice ही नहीं थी but to charge this much for their new OnePlus 9 series phone. Now to give you a context, last year जो OnePlus 8 Pro आया था, that costed about 54,999. So it's almost rupees 10,000 price increase for the OnePlus 9 Pro alone. And for that we get updated internals, we can say kind of a new design, and also those new cameras, or more specifically the Hasselblad partnership. Now, if you already don't know, OnePlus has partnered with Hasselblad for the new camera systems on the OnePlus 9 series. And Hasselblad is a historic camera company. They are about 188 years old and they are primarily known for their color science. In fact, the first photo that was taken of a man on the moon was taken from a Hasselblad camera. Do you remember that Beatles famous photo जो वो 4 लौंडे सड़क पे चल के जा रहे थे? That was also taken from a Hasselblad camera. And in fact, Swedish during the World War II actually used a Hasselblad camera for some aerial surveillance. So the folks at Hasselblad definitely know what they're doing. But why am I talking about this OnePlus Hasselblad partnership so much? Well, honestly, because OnePlus wants us to. OnePlus has invested about $150 million in this partnership that will go on for the next 3 years, where Hasselblad and OnePlus will partner to at least bring the best out of the camera systems of the future OnePlus phones. And that's why they were so proud of this partnership. That's why they announced it well before we could know anything about the OnePlus 9 as well. And that's why they spent about 30 minutes of the 1 hour long launch event just to talk about what Hasselblad had to do with the OnePlus 9 series camera systems. And to be honest, the initial impressions look kind of okay, kind of average. Well, I know I don't have the phones with me, but I'm talking about the camera samples that I've seen from the OnePlus 9. And no, I'm not talking about the camera samples जो OnePlus ने showcase किया था launch event में. I mean, like, कंपनीज ऐसा क्यों करती हैं कि जो लॉन्च इवेंट में कैमरा सैंपल शो करती हैं दैट आर मोस्टली टेकन बाय अ प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर. आई मीन लाइक इफ आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल फोटोग्राफर, I bet I will take a decent looking shot even with a budget or a mid-range camera phone. So okay, maybe I'm just diverting from the point, so let's come back to that. So yes, I know I don't have the phones, but I have watched a ton of videos talking about the pictures taken from the OnePlus 9. And yes, Hasselblad has it there. Like, they have their own color signs in the pictures taken from the OnePlus 9, but this is where things get a little tricky. Now, if you think about it, most of us, or about 95% of you out there, would take pictures from your phone only to upload it to some social media. So naturally, you want the photos that look pleasing to your eyes, or that would look pleasing when you upload it on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, or any other social media, right? But on the other hand, Hasselblad is known for their more color accurate or natural looking colors in the pictures. And I'm not sure how these two things will meet in the middle, because most of you out there would take a picture from the OnePlus 9 and say, oh, that does not look like a really nice picture. But in reality, it's the most color accurate picture you can get from a smartphone today. But things don't work like that, I think, on a smartphone. People click pictures on a smartphone only to upload on social media, or max to max make some really Instagram post or something like that, not above that. While on the other hand, on the cameras, on the professional grade cameras, you do look for accurate colors because that's your job, that's your profession. That's the reason why Apples and Samsungs go for a more warmer or more color saturated tones when it comes to their color signs on their phone. So yes, while Hasselblad does have their color signs on the plate for OnePlus, I'm not really sure how it's going to work out. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this partnership, and how do you see this will actually benefit OnePlus in the next 2 or 3 years. So yes guys, this was a quick video where I want to just summarize what all happened in the launch event of the OnePlus 9 series, and also I just wanted to highlight these couple of points, which is the price and the Hasselblad partnership. So let me know in the comment section below, how do you like this video, and share it with your friends who might be looking to buy the OnePlus 9 series phone for themselves. So yes guys, before you leave this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and especially hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload such videos in future as well. So till then, keep asking, you know the drill, and I'll see you in the next one.